Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amersay High School. We will continue with our chapter number 4, parts and wholes. Question number 12. Dino's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. He grows vegetables in it. Answer the following question on its basis. Students, here it is given that the vegetable field has 9 equal parts and Dino grows vegetable in this field. We have to answer the question on the basis of this picture. Students, here you can see the field is divided into 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And the chilies are grown on one part of the field and potatoes are grown 1 and 2, 2 parts of the field, and brinjals are grown on 1, 2, 2 parts of the field, and the tomatoes are grown on 1, 2 and 3 parts of the field, and spinach is grown on 1 part of the field. Now sum number 1 of question number 12. Which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? What part? Students, here you can see that tomatoes are grown on 1, 2 and 3, 3 parts of the field. So we can say that tomatoes are grown on the biggest part of the field. Now solution for sum number 1 of question number 12. He grows tomatoes in the biggest part of the field, as we have seen earlier. Out of 9 equal parts, 3 parts of them contains tomatoes. As we have counted that the total parts of the field were 9 and the 3 parts of the field contains tomatoes. So 3 by 9 part of his field contains tomatoes. Students, here in the fraction form we can write that 3/9 part of his field contains tomatoes. Now sum number 2 of question number 12. On what part of the field does he grow potatoes and brinjals? Students, here in the picture you can see that 2 parts of the field contains brinjal and 2 parts of the field contains potatoes. Now solution for sum number 2 of question number 12. Out of 9 equal parts, 2 of them contains potatoes and brinjals. As we have seen that the field was divided into 9 equal parts and 2 of the part contains potatoes and brinjals. So 2/9 part of his field contains potatoes and brinjals. So in the fraction form we can say that 2 by 9 part of the field contains potatoes and brinjals. Students, try to solve sum number 3 of question number 12 by yourself. Now we move to sum number 4 of question number 12. How many times more is the part of the potatoes than the part of the spinach? We have to find out how much times more is the part of potatoes and part of spinach. Here you can see that potatoes contains 2 parts of the field and spinach is grown in 1 part of the field. Now solution for sum number 4 of question number 12. Out of 9 equal parts, only 1 part contains spinach. Here students, the field was divided into 9 equal parts and we have seen that only 1 part of the field contains spinach. So we can say that 1/9 part of his field contains spinach. And as we know, as we have solved earlier, that 2/9 part of his field contains potatoes. So we can say 2 times more is the part of the potatoes than the part of the spinach. Now question number 13. The price list of vegetables is given here. Answer the question on its basis. Students, here a price list is given. We have to answer the question on the basis of this price list. Here the price list contains vegetables and price per kilogram. Now the price of potato is 15 per kilogram, tomatoes 20 per kilogram, lady's finger 18 per kilogram, cabbage 12 per kilogram and onion 16 per kilogram. We have to give the answers on the basis of this price list. Question number 1. How much does 2 kilogram of potatoes cost? We have to find out the cost of 2 kg of potatoes. Here you can see that the cost of potatoes is 15 rupees per kg. Now solution for sum number 1 of question number 13. Cost of 1 kg of potatoes is rupees 15. That was given in the price list. Cost of 2 kg of potatoes. We have to find the cost of 2 kilograms of potatoes. So we will multiply this 15 by 2. By multiplying 15 and 2 we will get rupees 30. Therefore cost of 2 kilogram of potatoes is rupees 30. Second question, find the cost of half kg of tomatoes. Here we have to find out the cost of tomatoes. Here it's mentioned tomatoes is equals to 20 per kilogram. Now solution for sum number 2 of question number 13. Cost of 1 kilogram of tomatoes is equals to rupees 20, that was given in the price list. Cost of half kg of tomatoes, that we have to find out. So we will multiply 20 by half. By multiplying 20 and half we will get 20 ones are 20 and we will write 2 over here. By dividing this 20 by 2 we will get rupees 10. Therefore the cost of half kg of tomato is rupees 10. Sum number 3 of question number 13. How much does 3.5 kg of lady's finger cost? Here we have to find out the cost of lady's finger. Students, here you can see that the cost of lady's finger is 18 rupees per kilogram. Now solution for sum number 3 of question number 13. Cost of 1 kilogram of lady's finger is rupees 18. Students, here we have to find out the cost of 3.5 kg of lady's finger. So first we will find out the cost of 3 kilogram of lady's finger. To find out the cost of 3 kg of lady's finger, we will multiply this 18 by 3. By multiplying 3 and 18 we will get rupees 54. The cost of 3 kilogram of lady's finger is 54. Now we will find out the cost of half kg of lady's finger. So again we will multiply the 18 by half. By multiplying 18 by 1 we will get 18 and 2 we will write here. By dividing 18 and 2 we will get rupees 9. So the cost of half kg of lady's finger is rupees 9. So the total cost of 3.5 kg of lady's finger is 63. For that we will add cost of 3 kilogram of lady's finger, that is 54, and cost of half kg of lady's finger, that is 9. By adding 54 and 9 we will get 63. Students, try to solve sum number 4, 5, 6 by yourself. Now sum number 7. Find the total cost of 4 3/4 kg of cabbage and 1/3 kg of potatoes. Students, we have to find out the total cost of cabbage and potatoes. Here in the price list you can see that the cost of cabbage is 12 per kilogram and the cost of potatoes is 15 per kilogram. Now solution for sum number 7 of question number 13. Cost of 1 kilogram of cabbage is equals to rupees 12, that was mentioned in the price list. First we will find out the cost of 4 kg of cabbage. To find out the cost of 4 kilograms of cabbage, we will multiply this 12 and 4. By multiplying 12 and 4, we will get rupees 48. Now cost of 3/4 kg of cabbage. For this we will multiply 3/4 with 12. By multiplying 12 and 3, we will get 36. And 4 we will write here. By dividing 36 by 4, we will get 9. Now cost of 4 by 3/4 kg of cabbage is equals to 57. That is, by adding 48 and 9 we will get 57. Now we have to find out the cost of potatoes. Cost of 1 kilogram of potatoes is equals to rupees 15 and cost of 1/3 kg of potatoes is equals to, we will multiply this 15 by 1/3 kg. By multiplying 15 and 1 we will get 15 and 3 we will write here as it is, and by dividing 15 and 3 we will get rupees 5. So the cost of 1/3 kg of potatoes is rupees 5. Now we have to find out the total cost of cabbage and potatoes. So the total cost of cabbage and potatoes is 62, as we have found out earlier that the cost of cabbage was 57 and the cost of potatoes was 5. By adding 57 and 5 we will get 62. Student, try to solve sum number 8 of question number 13 by yourself.
Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.